Hi, we are the AFKL and Cargo team. Together, we are tackling the challenge number 2, developer experience while fighting against the sleep. One record data exchange will become an industry standard starting from 2026. The challenge is big, and we expect a cohabitation between one record data sharing and IATA cargo XML messaging for a certain period. We, as an airline, our objective is to be able to exchange data with our supply chain partners, forwarders, handlers, authorities, whatever their technical maturity and readiness will be, while driving the change and pushing them to go to a more modern standard. How to solve it? We believe that an omni-channel approach will ensure a gradual transfer from messaging-based to a one-record data sharing-based shipment, which can make the one-record implementation a success from an airline perspective. In order to answer this challenge, we created Suite Cargo, the air cargo switch. Suite Cargo is the solution every airline needs during the transition phase to one record. It offers on top of a core shipment master inventory, an IATA messaging layer, a one record server, and a shipment execution portal. During the hackathon, we want to showcase how, by using the Suite Cargo solution, we execute one shipment with different partners, some using one record and others using IATA messaging. For the hackathon, we select a use case in which a freight forwarder, here DB Schenker, is one record ready and wants to ship electronics from San Francisco to Paris. On the way, the ground handling agent in San Francisco Airport is using only IATA messaging, and the ground handling agent in Charles de Gaulle is connected to one record. Let's now see how it works. The generator makes it easy to set up an application by generating a model with all associated components. Here are the screen it generated. DB Schenker booked a capacity for 4 pieces on the AF083 flight on the 26th of June for their customer Apple. 2 pieces consist of Euro pallets of iPhones, 2 pieces consist of Euro pallets of iPads. For the reason of shortage of stock of iPhones in the Parisian shop, the iPhones pallets must fly as booked. He then posted an object RV bill with a shipment composed of pieces composed of products which are composed of items. He notified that it is containing built-in lithium-ion batteries, which makes them dangerous goods, notified about the UN code, the harmonized commodity code, and joined a dangerous goods declaration. We can see when you submit the RV bill to the master system, whatever the channel is, the validation rules are still applicable and the MIP code is triggered. Here, DB Schenker entered the city code PAR instead of an airport code CDG, and the shipment is delivered not secured. The forwarder receives the error and corrects the destinations from PAR to CDG. The one record objects are published in IATA messaging format in parallel by the airline so that the handler at origin whose system is still working based on IATA messaging only can use them to execute the shipment. The handler in San Francisco Airport makes use of an FWB and an FBL to do the acceptance. He secures the shipment, sent an FWB update with other custom information, updated, and accepts it, which triggers an FSU RCS. Both updated RV bill, object, and RCS event are sent through our one record channel, and the customer is able to see them. Since the handler is using IATA messaging, FUM, we see that 2 pieces out of 4 departed. However, the forwarder and the shipper do not know if it is the correct pieces that departed. The handler received the instruction of the must fly and palletized the 2 urgent pieces in the ULD, then made the ULD fly in the booked flight. At destination at CDG, the ground handling agent is equipped with one record. Our ULDs are equipped with trackers. When the ULDs reach the warehouse, it triggers an event freight in warehouse FYW automatically. At breakdown, the GAJ scan all the pieces. This scan triggers an RCF event and it allows to identify which pieces were sent. An RCF is sent with the detail of the pieces and the forwarder can now see the pieces received. It is actually the 2 expected pieces, the iPhones.